Over the past few years, the concept of no-code has been gaining popularity. No-code platforms allow users to build applications and websites without needing to know how to code. With the rise of no-code, many people are questioning whether coding is still necessary. In this video, we'll be discussing the rise of no-code and whether coding is still necessary. So let's get started. First, let's talk about what no-code is. No-code platforms allow users to build applications and websites using visual interfaces and drag-and-drop tools without needing to write any code. One of the biggest advantages of no-code is that it allows people without a technical background to create digital products. This can be especially beneficial for small businesses or individuals who don't have the resources to hire developers. However, there are also some drawbacks to no-code. One of the biggest concerns is that it can create a false sense of security. No-code platforms may seem easy to use, but they still require a basic understanding of design and logic. Another concern is that no-code platforms can be limited in their functionality. While they can be great for simple projects, they may not be able to handle more complex applications. So is coding still necessary? Yes, coding is still necessary, especially for more complex projects. While no-code platforms can be a great tool, they shouldn't be used as a replacement for learning how to code. Learning how to code can provide a deeper understanding of how digital products work and can help you solve more complex problems. In conclusion, no-code platforms are a great tool for creating simple digital products, but they shouldn't be used as a replacement for learning how to code. If you're interested in building more complex applications or want to have a deeper understanding of how digital products work, learning how to code is still necessary. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one.